Hi guys, my name is Leach and I'm a Global Fit Ambassador with Forever Living Products. Whilst last year I achieved a lot of the goals I set out at the start of the year, I didn't achieve my ultimate goal, which was completing the Tour de Mont Blanc. And this year I've built on that and set some even bigger goals on the bike. And with that in mind, whilst I've got so far my own last year, I realised that this year I need to seek out the help of a professional, which is why I've taken on a coach this year. And today is all about testing with my coach, so we've got some base levels of where I'm at and what sort of training I need to be doing. So Graham's outside setting everything up at the moment, so without further ado, let's head out to the shed, meet Graham and get on with the testing.
Hi there guys, my name is Graham Dawson and I am part of Raw Power Cycle Coaching. So I'm here today with Leach. He's asked me to come down to do some what they call FTP testing, so it's called Functional Threshold Power Testing. It's basically a fitness test in cycling, and it's just the best, most efficient way to measure somebody's power output, and then it allows us to train them and engage with them in an easy, simplified way, especially if they're using power out on the road. So I'm here with Elf himself. As you can see, we're at a little shed. He's crouching down. He's just having a little warm up, and we'll get into the actual test in a minute. So we'll be showing you little clips of him doing the test, and we'll get his reaction afterwards as well. So enjoy, and if you ever need any coaching, look us up. We're Raw Power Cycle Coaching. We'd be happy to help. So this is our software. As you can see, we use Power, which is just here. There we go. We've got power to weight ratio, cadence, and this will be his FTP score. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for an increase on, I think what he got last time was 275. So hopefully we'll get an improvement in that with the training that he's been doing. So we'll check in a bit. So halfway in, Marcus, how are you feeling?
So far so good. Don't want to overdo it just yet because I know I want to really push on in the last 5 minutes. But equally, having the data there, it pushes me because I set standards for myself and I never want to drop below them. So mentally, I know I don't need to drop below certain numbers there, and at the end I can go all out and make sure I get a good score.
Okay, so we've got about 5 minutes to go. Marcus is just working hard in the background there. So what we've seen from a coach's perspective at the moment, he's averaging about 330 watts, which is quite a lot of power. He's averaging about 3.5 watts per kilogram, which is right up there with some of the good riders. So we're looking at a good Cat 2, Cat 3 rider there, which is exactly where we want to be. We talked about goals. We said we wanted him up to about 3.5 watts per kilogram, but what we're actually doing is we're already seeing that with the progress that we've seen over the last 9 months, that he's already up to 3.5. So goals are going to be set a little bit higher now. He's got a lot of work to do, but we've seen some really good results. So he's up about 15% at the moment. We'll see how he gets on over the next 5 minutes, and hopefully we'll see some more increases as he's left some in the tank. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good stuff, well done.
Just finished the FTP test. It was tough, 20% improvement when I did it last year, so pretty pleased. Last 2 minutes, real strain. Had to dig deep in mentally, physically, but got there. I said 330, hovered at 320 for a long time, knowing that a big dig at the end and I was there, and absolutely smashed what I wanted, so absolutely delighted.